Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2016 Holden Colorado LSX, stock reference number 5768. The shape runs from the 10th month 2013 through to the 7th month 2016. It has an LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-drive transmission. LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We've got the radiator grille, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, a set of 17-inch aftermarket steel rims. Left front has a good tyre, left rear door no damage, left rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre, factory sports bar with all fittings, tailgate has multiple dents, factory tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom, right rear aftermarket 17-inch steel rim with an average tyre, and a right front aftermarket 17-inch steel rim with an average tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, factory touchscreen media player, top glove box, courtesy lamp, right hand sun visor, and rear seats and headrests.